I'd been involved in ISA from the periphery as a vendor with a booth at the trade show. So I'd come to the trade show, I'd read Intech magazine, and that was my extent of my involvement for 10 years. And then I got involved with some friends who formed a new organization back in the late 80s, early 90s, when computers started to be, personal computers, started to be a big thing in the automation industry. And there was lots of consternation and infighting about whether a personal computer really should be in a controls environment. Lots of back and forth. So it was a very interesting time. And we formed this organization called the Industrial Computing Society, which eventually got subsumed into ISA as part of the organization here. And that was really my first involvement at a leadership type level, coming in from a third-party organization and then getting introduced in a very overwhelming way to the complexities of the ISA leadership system. And there's lots of great stuff going on, but there's so much that unless you're inside, you miss a lot of the great stuff that's happening.